Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to automatically UV unwrapping. So after we auto UV unwrapped our object in Substance Pinter, also you can export that UV unwrapped object to Cinema 4D if you want it to use for third-party renders like Redshift, Octane or Arnold renderer. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, we have here a Britain battle tank. Also there are a lot of objects on it, and group them with their objects or material similarity. After that, go to File, Export FBX file or OBJ file format. For now we use FBX file. Before we export our objects, what we need to do is, for example, create a cube and make it editable. After you do that, Cinema 4D creates UV tag. So we need to remove this UV tag. As you see, these all objects do not have UV tag as well on them. Now we can export our FBX file format and open our Substance Pinter. Go to File, New. You can choose templates, depend on your project. Select and open exported FBX file format. Also choose your resolution, then you can change DirectX to OpenGL and press OK. As you see, Substance Pinter automatically UV unwrapping. Okay, unwrapping is done. As you see, those are automatically UV unwrapped. Also, you can bake your mesh maps. After you baked your mesh maps, you can add materials or textures like you see, and also you can go further. Also, you can paint or other stuffs on your object. Now we can export this mesh into Cinema 4D as OBJ file format, and then open your Cinema 4D, create new, open or merge projects, and select baked OBJ file formats exported from Substance Pinter. As you see, we have our objects. Then change the layout to UV edit. Voila, now we have our UV. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you loved it. Please like and subscribe. I will be benefits. Okay, see ya.